Hey there, how's it going? My name is Christian. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch this video, in which I'm going to be showing you how you can get $25 for free instantly, and also how you can earn multiple $75 referral payments every time you share this with other people. So think of your friends, your family, people you'd like to help out, okay? Now, I really need you to pay attention to this because there are regular people just like you and I earning hundreds and in some cases even thousands of dollars just sharing this with other people. The other thing too I need you to keep in mind is that time is of the essence, okay? I'm not just saying this for false scarcity. It actually is time sensitive, okay? Because this company, they literally are giving out money for free, but I do not know how much longer they will have this promotion running, okay? Now, you're probably wondering, who is this company, right? It's called SoFi Bank, right? You've probably heard of them, right? If you haven't, what they are is an online personal finance company and also an online bank, okay? Based in the US, their headquarters are in San Francisco, and they are the official sponsor of the stadium in California in Englewood where the two NFL teams play, the Los Angeles, I believe it's Los Angeles Chargers and Los Angeles Rams, okay? So this is a legit company, right? They aren't a traditional bank like the typical Bank of America's, Chase, and all the ones that you probably bank at, your brick and mortar banks that you actually go to. These guys are just online based, but they are legit. Now, just like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase, if you just do a quick online search, you'll see that a lot of these banks, they have these promotions where they'll give you $200, $300 when you open up an account with them, right? But then there are so many different hoops you have to jump through, in order to get that money that they say they're going to give you, which they will give you. But again, it's, like things like setting up direct deposit, but then you also have to wait for, certain amounts of time before you get that money, or there's a minimum amount of money you got to put in. Basically a bunch of hoops, right, that you got to jump through, right? Now, I say all this to tell you that this is just a typical thing, right? This is a typical practice that banks do. And so SoFi Bank is no different, okay? They have their own promotions that they run as well. And now they are in the middle of one, and you really should take advantage of it. The good thing is you don't have to buy anything. You don't have to sell anything, right? You don't need your own website to promote this, right? You don't need your own autoresponder to promote it, right? You don't need to have a large following, right? This is just as simple as signing up for the account, okay? And you'll have your referral link in there that you can use to give other people to sign up, okay? And I will show you that in the video that I send you to, that will have step-by-step detailed instructions showing you how to do everything, okay? So as you can see, this is SoFi's website here. So let me just give you a few highlights of some of the things you're going to be benefiting from when you open an account with them, okay? So first and foremost, more than anything, no fees, right? I'm sure you can relate if you're just, a regular person, like most of us are. You've had to deal with late fees, we all make mistakes. Sometimes you overdraft your account. That has happened. If not now, maybe a long time in the past when you were younger, right? So I think a lot of us are very familiar with that. For sure I am, right? I had times when I overdrafted my account back in the day. And those will usually come with pretty hefty fees, right? $25, $35. The good thing with SoFi is that they do not have any fees, okay? I believe they also give you free checks, right? If you want a checkbook to write checks, you'll get one, probably your first one for free, first checkbook for free. And then their interest rates, right? This is the big kicker. Their interest rates are amazing compared to what you would get your typical brick and mortar bank, right? On the checking accounts, all right, they will pay you 0.5%, all right, 0.50%. Most of your checking accounts or your brick and mortar banks, they don't pay anything, right? And then here's the even better part. The savings account, right, here with SoFi, they will pay up to 4.6%, okay? And now to get that 4.6%, they're going to require you to have some kind of direct deposit, okay? That could be from your job, or that could be if you have some kind of social services payment coming from the government or something, or if you do the online marketing for different companies, and they pay you commissions, stuff like that. Okay, but you just need to have some kind of direct deposit. There is no minimum amount you have to put in there, but if you have some kind of direct deposit going on, you will get that 4.6%. And if you don't have the direct deposit, they'll still pay you 1.2%, right? Which is still way higher than you would have at any brick and mortar bank, right? For just a regular savings account, right? And then these are some of the other, they have several different products: personal loans, refinancing, student loans, right? Credit cards, all kinds of stuff, okay? And you can also get referral payments for referring other people to get these other products as well, as opposed to just opening an account, okay? So those are just some of the main things. And when you do open an account, they will send you a debit card in the mail, okay? Now, when you open that account, you'll get that $25 instantly, on condition that when you do it, you use an existing bank account of yours that has a debit card attached to it. So you need to use a bank issued debit card, okay, of your currently existing bank account, and you've got to deposit $50 into your SoFi account instantly. All right, so use that debit card to get that $50 deposited, and within the next, in my case, it took about 15 to 20 minutes to get that $25 bonus. Okay, and once you get that, you can take the money out and put it back in your regular account if you want. Once your debit card comes, you can start spending it immediately. Okay, you have access to that money. Same goes with the referral payments that you get for each person that the $75 that you get for each person that signs up for an account. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Now, when you click the link below this video that you're watching right now, okay, before you do that, let me just show you something as well. I mean, they have paid up to $20 million in referral bonus payments. Okay, so this is, if you have any doubts, this is definitely something legit. Okay, now if you want to get started, just click the link below this video. Okay, and it'll take you to a page that looks like this one right here, which will have another video that shows me going step by step, exactly showing you step by step exactly what you need to do in the sign up process. Okay, and once you finish watching that video, or if you want to follow along, just click this link below, right? Click this link below right here, which will take you to this page right here where you can sign up for the account, okay? Come down here and then click claim your bonus, and you can follow the process of signing up for your account, following exactly what I show you in this video right here. The one thing that I want to point out as well is that this is for U.S. citizens only. So I'm sorry if you are not based in the US, this is not something you're going to be able to participate in. All right, that's it for now. Don't forget, click that link below this video. All right, click the link below this video and it will take you to a page that looks like this one right here, which says claim your $25 welcome bonus, video 2 of 2. The video you're watching right now is video 1 of 2. Okay, and then this second one right here will go through everything in detail. Shows me going through the process of signing up for an account and depositing the $50 with my bank issued debit card, and then it also shows me receiving my $25 welcome bonus, which you will be able to do the same as well. Okay, so follow that video to get step-by-step instructions, and to sign up for your account, just click the link below that video on the next page there, and it will take you to this page here, where you just need to come down and click claim your bonus to get started. All right, thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch, and I wish you all the best of luck.